Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. I would love for you to subscribe and join the family. Today is a mixed bag of a lot of things I got at Sephora and just some drugstore stuff like this foundation, True Match, and CYO. The Huda Beauty Pound Cake, the Toofaced Natural Face Palette, as well as the L'Oreal Baked and Brightened Blush. I just have in the Bare Minerals Well Rested Concealer. So we're just going to go all out, and today I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Brow Trio mixed with the Urban Decay just in the front. So I'll go do this and I will be right back. Alright guys, I look so sick, but I'm mixing the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup with Broad Spectrum SPF 17. It's kind of weird, in Warm 5. And I mixed that with the CYO Lifeproof, so it's on the back of my hand. Let's hope that it does match. Otherwise, not really sure what to do, except add more of the lighter one. Yeah. Alright, just taking it out of the back of my hand. Matches perfect. Even if it's a little bit light, that's quite alright. Yeah. I rhymed coincidentally. Accidentally. Oh my gosh, I could keep going on all day. See, people don't get my sense of humor. I've been told my whole life that I look mean, and I don't know how that's possible. I am like the nicest person, I think. I give and give and give to strangers and whatever. Like homeless people, I often give them money if I know, they're doing good intentions, or I'll buy them food. So stuff like that. And I was never a bully in high school or anything, never mean. I was bullied a lot in high school, a lot. So that is really good coverage. Mixing those two, I absolutely love it. I think it's stunning. So good combo for that. Let's take this Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpted Concealer in Vanilla and try and see if that's gonna go really well with this foundation. I love this stuff. I haven't used it in so long. I don't know why. I guess I just forgot about it. Just gonna blend this out. Now that's all done. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Pound Cake, and I try to dump it like this because I find the net hard to use, honestly. Does anyone else find that net hard to use? It doesn't pick up a lot of product at all. We're gonna set this area. You see how it just completely mattified it, but it didn't take away the brightness, which I really love. Some powders oxidize and they just make the under eye look either the same as your skin tone or, darker. So that's really good. Honestly, I don't notice a smell in this. I mean, I think I did in the beginning, and it was of a fresh pie or something, and then it went away. So that will be it for setting. And the eyes are going to be super duper simple. Let me set the eyes. It's going to be so simple, anyone can do it. Just kidding. I have to go with my powder foundation around here and up on my temples. I'm just going to use a Luxie brush for that. I'm just going to kind of... This adds a bit of coverage as well, because do you see how it adds that little bit of coverage where I put all of that product down? The foundation didn't cover it all, but those are not marketed as full coverage, but they are medium, and these are pretty big. So just setting the areas where bronzer tends to skip on me. And now we can move on to the eyes. For my eyes, I'm going to take this I Love Revolution Bronze and Glow Duo. I'm just going to use the bronzer in the shade, in the pan. And I'm going to run that along my crease and up to the brow bone and build it up till I'm satisfied with that look. I'm taking the Too Faced chocolate bar palette, and I'm going to mix hazelnut with amaretto, just a little bit of the amaretto. And I'm going to dot that on the outer corner, sort of flick it out, so I want that wing there. See how that's coming together? If I sound weird, it's because I went to the doctor and they gave me something to help with my neck. And it's not like pain pills or anything, but it's still weird. I feel weird, so that's all. Okay. That's where I want that, and we're going to add another color right after I'm done the other eye. Alright, for the inner third of our eye, I'm going to be taking this Milani Trio, Highlighter Trio. It has been used and abused in 03 Rose Glow, and I'm going to take this middle, really, really shimmery. I mean, these pack a humongous punch. These are really, really great highlighters. And I'm going to pack that right on the inner corner. There is fallout, so all the way to about halfway. I'm going to tap off the brush. And don't be scared to get it all up in here. That's where I want it. All the way up here and pull it down. Let's give ourselves a little lift with the light. Inner corner highlight. Look how stunning that is for Wet n Wild. So pretty. Okay, same thing with the other eye. So like right where you would start putting eyeliner and then come in with it, meeting the dark black, not black, but dark brown in the outer corner. And that will fuse them together. And then really take it up high, right here, and do inner corner highlight, of course. Cool, cool. I'm going to put a little bit on the bottom to open up the eye. A little bit of the way in. About a third of the way in. Today I'm finishing the eyes last because it takes a long time for me to do mascara and all that. So let's focus on bronzer, blush, highlights. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Natural Face Palette, and it has really gorgeous tones in it. I love it so much. I love this palette. All my brushes are upstairs in my room where my daughter's sleeping, so I have to kind of do this like with this brush here. I don't like it. We're going to go into these blushes, bronzers. Hello. Spaced out, actually. And just bronze up the face. They're pretty intense. These can go all the way to a really, really warm tone skin. Bordering deep, these can work for. But you see just how effortless this is? It's the perfect shade for any type of year, all year round, all year round. So that looks really good. So the brush I have for blush is this humongous powder brush from Real Techniques, but we'll try it anyway. I'll dip it in here and in here, and oh my gosh, look how beautiful those blushes are. Really pigmented, and I'm just like barely grazing in there. So I'll put all the excess around my face since it's a little bit too much, but blush does fade first throughout the day. Tarte, I have the Tarte blushes. Those last for, I think, 12 hours. 12-hour blush. And I have some of those, but my makeup stuff is all disorganized in a wreck, and I can't find it. I don't know if I set my under eye, but I'm taking the Bare Minerals Well Rested Concealer. It's a powder. It's very interesting. So it's a powder like this, and I'm going to, where's my, I'm going to take my sponge, dip it in it, get some of the product on there, and really, it brightens, it gives you more coverage on your concealer. I bet you'll be able to tell the difference. Do you see the coverage it gives? A lot more. It brightens, and I love it. And I forgot about it until I saw Shan XO post about it, and I was like, whoa, I haven't pulled that out in a while. You know, because you forget. I'm trying new things all the time for you guys, and I just forgot about it, but She reminded me, and I love this, so it's gonna work. Oh, and I also have to fix my upper eye because I did find the shadow that I needed for that. So I'll fix that after. It looks terrible right now, but I'll fix that after. We've got the Tarte Top Yacht chrome paint thing. So it looks like that. I'm just gonna use my finger and apply. Do you guys see this? I'm hoping the camera is translating it to you. Do you see that shade? Oh my word. That is crazy. But it's so beautiful. It screams wedding vibes to me. Inner corner. Oh yeah. I could even use this as my highlight. That's a little too strong. Let's see if we can use it for highlighting. I wonder how this is gonna go. Okay, dipping a little bit in. Wow, it works so well as a highlight. That's stunning, and I'll never run out of this. It's like just like the Tarte jars. You'll never run out of it because they're just packed to the brim. If I used it every single day as a highlight, yeah, maybe I would run out of it. But this is so gorgeous. This look. This is an eyeshadow. To the brow bone. Let's make a C shape. Don't ask me how I'm going to fix this, because I don't know. I should have just left it alone. I'll go in with the bronzer brush we used. Try to diffuse it out a little bit more. I actually forgot about this blush here from Clinique. It's in Fig, I think, or something like that. I want to see how pretty this is. It's nice. I'm thinking about trying to cover up this part of my eye because nothing's working. But this is beautiful, guys. Do you see this? It's got a little subtle radiance in it. So if you didn't want to wear highlight, you could totally just wear this blush all on its own. I'm trying to think if I'm missing any steps because I'm like, I don't remember, but let's do our lips. For lips, I'm going to take this Believe Beauty brand in, I think it's barely there, line the lips, and I think I have a plan for the lipstick. I wonder if this is all gone. No, it's still there. This is so creamy, and their foundation's lovely. It works so well. I'll use that next time. It's right by me. I don't know why I didn't use it today. It takes me forever to line my lips. Anybody else? Why? Going in with MAC Teddy lipstick. Oh, I'm gonna just spread it out like this. That looks pretty good, I guess. It's as good as it's going to get on me. I'm just going to go throw on a couple coats of mascara. I'm going to be using the Thrive Cosmetics mixed with the Essence Lash Princess. And then I will be right back. I'm actually going to try this lipstick from Clinique. I can't read that, but nice packaging. And look at the shade. It looks so pretty. It's got a moisturizing pore. I want to see what that looks like over top. Ooh. This light nude pink. And I'm just going to pat it out. That's so pretty. I love it. So you guys, when my lashes dry, I always give them a nice curl so that they look super long. But this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you really liked it. And if you're not subscribed, I would hope that you would be subscribed soon if you would want to see my videos. Also, if you want to see the videos and you already are subscribed, you have to hit that bell. YouTube will not notify you when I upload if you don't hit the bell, which is over here. Subscribe and bell. Peace. See you in my next video.